My name is Manar Khaled. I'm from Maastricht, Egypt. I'm a graduate from Faculty of Agriculture, Maastricht University. I specialize in horticulture, specifically in ornamental plants and landscaping. It was a trusted opportunity throughout my university, my professors, and it also will give me the opportunity to make or to create a big a great CV because it's an international experience. Yeah, I feel supported from my family and also from my friends when I told them that I'm going to the Netherlands. In the beginning, my father were a bit worried about me, but when I told him that I'm accepted and I will go to the Netherlands, he supported me till the last minute. My company called the Mother Boom Test. It was in Gruppenverst in Venlo, and it was working in ornamental trees. Yeah, I'm currently employed I'm a sustainability coordinator at OFI Egypt. And my task is to follow up the follow-up reports and to maintain the certificates that the company took, and also to lead or to arrange trainings for our team. The skill that I gained from the Netherlands that helps me to in my work now. Let me say that how to work in international environment, and also how to be on time. Readjusting, how to readapting, how to readapting in Egypt, and also the system, the time. It was a great experience that helped me to be an independent and also to rely on myself. To be flexible and to be an open-minded and to accept the other cultures or the other minds. Unforgettable. Yeah, it's really unforgettable. Why? Because I didn't think that I'm going to travel, especially when I'm studying.